All right, guys, we are here with a 2001 Chevy Corvette Z06. I am in the process of doing a wide body kit on this car with Corvette Creationz wide body fenders. The rear ones are on and look pretty good after a lot of fitment issues. But this video is going to be about the front fenders and how I am not going to use them. These do not fit at all. And I wanted to make a video showing you guys all the issues with these front Corvette Creationz fenders, just in case you wanted to look up and see something about them before you decide to buy them. So right now, these are just mocked up there, and maybe in the video they look pretty good. But I basically have given up on them because they fit so horribly that even I, as a professional body guy, is not going to waste my time to even try to make these work because they're so out of place. When we look at this body line to the door, the shape of this fender isn't even curved like the door. If I hold this out here like this, it's almost touching up there, and it's got this giant gap all the way down, especially down here in the rocker. And you know, you guys might say that it might be because I haven't really tried to fit them that well. I have. You have to drill the holes for all these fenders, and I did not want to do that yet because I'm going to be returning these. Something like this, when I try to get it out to where the door is flush, if you look in here, this flange should be bolted to that bolt hole right there, and it's about an inch away. Even these ones aren't even close, but then obviously you guys can still see what this looks like right here. This is the biggest problem, is how this fits from the fender to the door. Same thing on the passenger side. If I try to get this to fit flush up into the door, to the fender, when we look inside, you can see how far away this is. You can see how far away this one is. There's no sense of even trying to drill a hole, because if I put this in where it needs to be like that, then we have this right here, and obviously that is not going to be good enough. When I try to bring this back to be flush up here, right, the shape of this isn't even close to what it should be. And the thing with this is there's only one bolt inside that holds this. There's just no possible way that this is ever going to look good. And even when I close the hood, when I have it somewhat flush, trying to, you know, line it up right here, it's so close to the hood. And then this gap is pretty wide in the middle, and then it's hitting the hood on the other side, which is down front where the headlight is. Same thing on the driver's side. If I push this all the way on, if I try to get this hood line, it's hitting the hood there. The line in the middle is, you know, kind of wide, but it's hitting on both sides, the front and the rear. So something like this on the driver's side where it's flush with the door, obviously it's hitting the door because the gap is so bad, but it's flush with the door, and then the gap of this hood to fender line is so bad, and then it's almost touching up the front, but yet in the middle, I mean, it's big enough to fit a finger through. So it's one of those things that these are aftermarket, obviously. I'm not sure who buys these and who can get these on their car. I do know that a lot of people seem to like the carbon fiber ones, and they fit better. These are the fiberglass Corvette Creationz ones. I just don't like them. They do not fit. Maybe this is a bad batch, I'm not sure. If you want to see videos on the rear ones, I'm going to have separate videos on that. Those were a lot of issues also, but at least I got them to fit. But these front ones, I'm not even going to bother. It's just for the price that you pay for these, it is very, very poor design, or, you know, maybe a good design but bad execution. So I just wanted to make you know, a quick video to show you guys what this looks like. Because if you're on the fence about doing a wide body kit on your C5, maybe go with the carbon fiber ones, maybe go with a different brand. Once again, like this rear one, I did a lot of work to and it looks fine now, but these fronts are just not good whatsoever. So that's all. If you have any questions or comments about this, please just let me know. I will try to get back to you guys and answer anything I can. And if you guys want to see any more of this Corvette rebuild, wide body rear and a full color change, I'm going to have more videos up for you guys to show you guys what I did and everything, all the work that I was doing to this. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.